What's crack-a-lackin', y'all? Doing some van shit today. I got this thing sanded yesterday. Was that yesterday? Something like that. I think I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna stain those doors. But I put up this furry fabric as like trim. And honestly, it's starting to grow on me. I was kind of skeptical at first. I didn't fully mount it in, but I really like it. I think I'm gonna try and get a strip of black and see what that would look like. But I'm gonna put some right here. Well, that's the plan anyway. Up over there, up here, and then up here. That might be too much fur in the van, so I might just put a tapestry up there. The maroon one, that's my favorite. But yeah, it's starting to grow on me. I kind of like it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I might just leave it. Say hi. Ozzie, say hi. That works. Alright, so let's just get straight to work. Let's paint this son of a gun. First things first, cracked open yerba. Picked up another incense because I run through these things like crazy. So let's light this son of a bitch up and start grooving. Yeah, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Paul St. Louis. That's my boy Ozzie over there. And I'm building out a camper van. So right now I'm on the grind. I need to get that done. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, if you can, please like and subscribe. I'm almost to 500 subscribers, which is the next level I need to hit, and then after that it's 1,000. So come join us, join me and Ozzie on this little journey. Let's do this. Before we get started, I want to ask you guys a question. What do you think about the furry trim? Do you think that's a yes or a no? Please let me know down below. Anyways, let's get to painting. Got this butte all stained. A little piece of napkin there. Oh, damn it. Just washed my hands. But, yeah, stained it. I don't know if I'm going to do all of these are door faces for the H2O compartimento. I don't know if I'm going to stain it because as you can see, those little indents. Well, I thought I could sand those out, but I can't. And the way I cut it is that the indents are facing out. The only way I could do this side is if I flip it around, but then I got these holes for the hinges. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I really like this color though. I mean, the holes aren't that big. They don't go all the way through. We'll see what happens. But dude, that looks sick. Look at that. Just that freaking wood grain. Then you got all those little indents. I really like this color. We'll see what happens. Anyways, I'm gonna paint this white. So the reason why I'm painting the inside of this, because my water jugs are going in here. And if they leak, I don't want to ruin the wood. So the paint's gonna help to seal it. And I could always use polyurethane sealer, but I'd rather just paint it. And then when I'm done, I'll probably just put some sealant around here, down here, over there, all the way around. think we're done here. Let's see how this is doing. Not too bad. Those indents are definitely gonna bug me. You can kind of see all the rough sand marks. I gotta choose. Would I rather have all these little indents or 1, 2, 3, 4 microscopic holes? I think I'd choose the holes. And the cool thing is I'm still able for things to match up, you know? So it all flows perfectly. But yeah, I'm just gonna sand it. I'm gonna do 120 and then finish it off with some 240. And then we're good to go. Oh, first things first, since I'm done cutting wood, I'm gonna clear this off and take my shoes off because I'm tired of wearing boots. Dude, these are so smooth. Oh my gosh. That's freaking awesome. I'm stoked. So I got these stained, 1, 2, and 3. I might leave the outside cabinet face with the indented plywood. But right now I'm trying to figure out what to paint the outside. I definitely don't want to do white because it's a little hard to make it look good. I mean, I guess I could do like 3 or 4 different coats. But I'd rather not. But I was thinking of doing black. Then I thought about the other day when I tried to paint the backside of that window frame with black underneath, white on top. And this actually kind of looks cool. So we're gonna let this dry. Kind of like that. I just want things to be different, you know? Artistic. Let's find a place for this to sit right here. So before I paint this, I'm gonna try one more thing. Rustic brown. It's what my old H2O Compartimento was, it was stained this. So I'm gonna try one more time and see if it looks good with the stained black. That looks pretty awesome. It goes well with the black and the copper. Let's let this dry a little bit and then we'll see what happens. So I really like this, but I just don't think that it's the black is gonna go, the black with white wash is gonna go with the black faces and the white. And I don't know that this is going to, I guess it kind of looks good. Damn it. Hey, how's it going? All right, I'm gonna stain this. We're gonna stain that in the rustic brown and we'll go from there. Deal. All wiped. So this one lightened up a bit. It's practically dry. I personally like it better when it was wetter, so I can already tell you this looks cool, but it's gonna look like that. What's going on? We're staining the H2O cabinet. I stained this last night a rustic wood brown. It actually turned out pretty damn good. So I changed my mind on this. I was gonna do black underneath with the whitewash on top. I'm gonna hook this cabinet up with the hinge just to see if I want to go this route, rustic brown. Otherwise, I'm thinking about just staining the rest in black. I just don't know if it's gonna look nice in there with the blue window frames. So I'm gonna hook this up. But yeah, this turned out pretty good. I actually like it. I like it a lot. That actually looks pretty cool. I like the different colors. Different color scheme there. I guess it depends on what I'm gonna be doing with all that. Maybe I'll just do all black it out. Yeah, let's do that. This side's wiped. I'll let this sit for a couple minutes and wipe it. Check this out. I actually really like all different lines and the shapes and colors. I might have to use this as like a door face. Maybe for the back. Maybe even part of like the upper cabinets. I really like it. I think it's cool. She bang. I like the way that she moves. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are stained. Now I'm gonna just paint this black. Right here too. Right there. Boom, boom, boom. I was gonna do blue, but yeah. Just paint it black. All right, got the outer border painted. I'm gonna wait for the stain to dry so I can tape up this side so I can really get those and that. I don't want to get the black paint over on the stain. But I like how the black kind of just like fades in and with the white. I am not a fan of the black and white though. I'm not gonna lie. So it's time to add some color. I'm gonna grab some blue paint, window frame blue, and just, scribble a little bit. Add some life into this cabinet. Actually, we're gonna go with a different blue, more of like a greenish Caribbean current, this stuff. So, let's go. There we go. That looks better. Hell yeah. I actually like that. I missed a spot over there. Sweet. That's a lot better. I like that. I really like what I did here. Need to get some more colors other than blue. You're not even gonna sit down? This is where I'm gonna end it on, designing and painting that thingamajiggy. So I appreciate you guys hanging out. I appreciate you guys, watching my channel, watching me build shit, fix shit, create shit. But anyways, I appreciate you guys, and I'll be back tomorrow. Probably just gonna do the plumbing. Yeah, get that thing going. Anyways, thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow.